Hello, it's Rachel. Today's video is a bit of a short one, but I wanted to share a technique using alcohol inks. For this technique you need a piece of acetate and whichever alcohol inks you choose, and you're going to add some alcohol inks to the acetate, then you're going to add some blending solution and let it thoroughly dry. After the alcohol inks and the blending solution have dried, you're then going to take some pearlescent paint in a white or near white colour, and you're going to apply this to the same side of the acetate that you added the inks. The first layer you need to be really careful on because the inks will pick up on whatever you're using to apply the paint. In my case I'm using some Ranger cut and dry foam, so you do want to make sure that you just add one layer of paint and then let that dry and add enough additional layers of paint to make it opaque. When everything has dried, you can turn over your acetate to reveal what you have, and you're going to find that you have a pearlescent look to the whole sheet. Anywhere where there was no ink or you thinned out the paint with the blending solution, you're going to have more of a white pearlescent appearance, and the other colours will also take on a pearlescent, almost metallic appearance or a frosted look. This is a very useful sheet for backgrounds or using die cutting or anything you want to do with it. So I hope you enjoyed the technique and thanks for watching.